Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share and subscribe so that we can grow this community. My name is Anika Nsotsomuhoni, inspiring to own a farm one day. Is backyard poultry farming profitable? Yes, backyard poultry farming is very profitable. Only if you do it consistently and also in the right manner. What do I mean if I say consistently? When you embark on your journey on a backyard chickens, for example, if you think that you can do layers, choose layers. If you think that you can do broilers, choose broilers. Find a niche that everyone can know you. Find a niche so that a buyer can know you better. And also, when you find a niche, do it consistently. Every time a buyer should find something from you. If you are selling eggs, that means buyers should find eggs from you. If you are selling chicks, be consistent that the chicks should be available each and every time. I know it's sometimes difficult to do it, but then when you are just beginning, it's very difficult to be consistent. But then make sure that you are consistent with your niche, you are consistent with your product. Another thing you can think of is you should do it in a right manner. You should do it in a right way. What do I mean in a right way? There shouldn't be any mortalities. You shouldn't meet any diseases along your journey, because starting from brooding your chickens, you should make sure that you do it very properly. You should follow every step, do every vaccination, do it very good, so that you shouldn't have any mortalities. And also, during your journey, you should make sure that the chickens are growing very well, so that they should be very healthy to produce what you need. Another thing is that you should be very patient. Backyard chickens can sometimes can give you toughest time ever if you are not impatient. Be patient with them. Let them grow. Let them do whatever they are doing, and at the end of it, you find that they will give you even more eggs, more chicks. There will be no mortalities. I've been doing backyard chicken for about 2 years now. I know. I've been learning a lot from it. I've been researching a lot from my fellow YouTubers, farmers who are on YouTube, and also farmers who are around here. And I've gained a lot of knowledge. Remember that money alone cannot sustain poultry farming. Knowledge is power. If you know everything about poultry farming, if you know every detail about your niche, your poultry farming, you never get into any trouble. Another thing you have to consider is do some research around your area. What do people need? Do people need more eggs? Do people need more chicken, more meat? Also, that can help you to venture into the light product for your area. Also, you have to consider your space. Design your poultry house according to your space. If your backyard is tiny, do it according to your tiny backyard. My backyard is very, very tiny, as you can see behind me. It's very, very tiny, but I have managed to raise about 150 chickens in my backyard chicken. Design according to your space. As you can see, guys, backyard poultry farming can be very, very profitable. If you want, you do find a niche, you do it consistently, and also do it in the right ways. That's it for today, guys. I hope you consider venturing into backyard poultry farming.